Imagine turning on your Apple TV 4K and hearing your show play clearly, but the display stays completely black. No logo, no interface, nothing shows up at all. When you can't even open the settings, it makes the situation even more frustrating. In this guide, I'll walk you through practical step-by-step methods to fix the black screen with sound issue and get your picture back fast. Let's start with a full power cycle because this clears temporary signal errors and HDMI handshake issues between the TV and the device. First, turn off your TV, then unplug the TV's power cable from the wall. After that, unplug the Apple TV from power as well. Leave both unplugged for 1 to 2 minutes. This gives everything time to fully reset. When the time is up, plug the TV back in first, then plug in the Apple TV. Turn the TV on and check if the picture returns. If that didn't bring the image back, the next step is to reset the HDMI connection itself. These black screen issues are often caused by a signal mismatch between the TV and the device. Unplug both devices from power again. Now remove the HDMI cable from both the TV and the Apple TV. Leave everything disconnected for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug the TV back in first, then plug in the Apple TV and wait about 30 seconds before reconnecting the HDMI cable. Turn the TV on and test playback again. If the screen is still black, you can force restart the device using the remote, and this does not require the menu. Press and hold the menu button and the home button at the same time. Keep holding them until the light on the Apple TV starts blinking. Once it blinks, release the buttons and allow it to restart fully. This forces a system reboot and often restores the video signal. Another important fix is resetting the display output. Sometimes the resolution setting doesn't match what your TV expects. Press and hold the menu button and the volume down button together for about 6 to 10 seconds. The screen may briefly flash or go black and then return. This forces the device to cycle through compatible display resolutions and renegotiate the signal with your TV. Once it finishes, check if the picture is back. If the image is still missing, try switching HDMI ports on your TV. Unplug the HDMI cable and connect it to a different HDMI input. Then use your TV remote to switch to that new input and test playback again. Sometimes a specific HDMI port can fail or lose proper signal compatibility. If changing the port doesn't help, the HDMI cable itself may be the issue. Try using a different cable, preferably a high-speed or 4K compatible HDMI cable. Lower quality cables can struggle with 4K or HDR signals and cause black screen problems even when audio works. After replacing it, power everything back on and test again. Finally, open your TV's HDMI settings and enable options like Enhanced HDMI or Full UHD Color for the input your Apple TV is connected to. Some TVs need this turned on to properly display 4K or HDR signals. If HDMI mode is set to auto, switch it to a manual setting and test the video again. That's it. These steps cover the most common signal and display issues that cause a black screen with sound. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more simple tech fixes, and let me know in the comments what worked for you.